What's up, y'all? It's Aisha Girl, and I'm about to show you how to do this Macy ponytail. Let's get into it. So these are the products I'll be using. Before you want to start off doing your rough draft ponytail, before you do your final ponytail, you part out your baby hairs because that's what we're gonna do last. Um, then I'm gonna show y'all what hair I use. This brand hair is good for like quick styles. It's organic, shake and go. Um, it's good for like a couple of days, like a quick style. Then I'm gonna go in with my edge booster, mold my hair, and my freeze spray to mold the hair, and use the blow dry. Then after you brush all of that, and you want to take your ponytail down and put it all together. This is how your ponytail should look, super sleek. Yes. Um, then you want to put your nape strips on. This You want to put your nape strips on because you don't want to you don't want your ponytail to get frizzy. Then braid your hair down, put your nape strips on. I didn't show that part because, like I say, girl, I was rushing. Um, you want to put the glue on the nape strip because you don't want to get no glue on your hair. So there's two different ways you can do ponytails. You can sew it, you can wrap it, glue, etc. But yeah. This how you do it. When you do your ponytail, you want to glue, overlap, glue, and blow dry. That's how I did mine. So yeah, blow dry it. Now I done finished my ponytail, girl. Yes, look at it, super cute. Then we're gonna start to do the baby hairs. Please don't burn yourself. I didn't burn myself, but you don't burn yourself, girl. Take your time. I use my edge booster for my edge. That's the best edge control ever. They need to sponsor me, like for real. But yeah, lightly put the edge control on your hair. You don't want to put too much on there because, like I say, you don't want to. You just want to you want to lightly do it. So all I'm doing is swooping, just like that, as you see. Let your hands do all the controlling. I know y'all girls know, but yeah, super laid. Yep, this is the finished look. The baddest. Period. Let's get into it. Let me know if y'all want another tutorial